I began to grow suspicious when I saw custard tart called Patagonia cream tart and escalope of pork parading under a Welsh label. What's so Welsh about a bit of pork fried in breadcrumbs? Truth, though, the Welsh lamb pie has a real Welsh heritage. At the moment, there's a bit of confusion in the kitchens of Welsh hotels and restaurants because very few chefs have actually been taught the art of good, solid Welsh cooking. Some are still at the plain, solid stage. Perhaps by the time the tourist season is at its height in July, they'll have learnt a little less solid and a little more good. But not to down Welsh food as such. The dishes, which will be served up in hundreds of hotels and restaurants in Wales, are both varied and interesting. One of them is this baked trout with bacon. But I asked Chef Roy Arnott, what's so Welsh about that?
Well, for a start, I think it is a traditional Welsh dish. And with the flavour of the bacon cooking into the trout, adds to the taste.
The taste of Wales has certainly returned with a patriotic flavour, and there's no denying many people will choose a Welsh menu now that it's available, even though it's not very familiar.
I don't know what the name of the prawns, and baked trout, and these are the unusual things, the leek pancake and the potato cake. I've never seen those on a menu anywhere before.
We seem a bit amazed. This is supposed to be Welsh food. You come originally from Merthyr, and yet you don't know any of it.
Well, I know it, but I've never seen it on a luncheon menu in anywhere at all. I've travelled all over Wales, but I've never seen it.
What do you think of it?
I think it's lovely, very nice, thank you.
I like it very much, and it's quite a change for me. Because I've only just returned from Florida. I've been to Fort Lauderdale for a month. And after all the exotic food there, I'm really and truly enjoying Welsh cooking.
Oh, I've had escalope before. I've had spring greens very many times. But I must admit, this Swansea potato cake is a completely new experience to me. And so is this leek pancake. A truly Welsh menu, you could say. But one thing that isn't Welsh at all here today, and that's the wine, which is truly French through and through. Cheers.